If you want to see your game library on Epic Games PC, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to open your library, find your purchased games, and view everything you've already installed. This is a simple step, but if you're new to the Epic Games launcher, it can be a little confusing at first. So let's make it easy. Before we start, make sure you're signed into the correct Epic Games account. That's important because your library only shows the games that are tied to the account you're logged into. If you have more than one account, double-check that you're using the right one. Now, open the Epic Games launcher on your PC. Once it loads, go ahead and log in with your Epic Games account details. Enter your email and password, then complete any verification if prompted. After a successful login, you'll arrive at the main dashboard inside the launcher. On the left side of the screen, look for the Library section in the sidebar. This is where Epic Games keeps all of your owned games and installed titles in one place. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to check the left tab carefully, because that's where it should be. Click on Library, and your game library will open immediately. Here you'll see all the games connected to your Epic account. This includes games you've purchased, claimed for free, and any titles you've already installed on your PC. If a game is installed, it will usually show up clearly in the library so you can launch it quickly. If a game is only owned but not installed yet, it will still appear here as well, so you can install it later whenever you want. This makes the library section the easiest place to manage your Epic Games collection. If you're trying to find a specific game, you can scroll through the list and look for it manually. Depending on how many games you own, your library may be small or very large. Either way, everything should be stored here once you're logged into the correct account. And that's it. Once you sign in and click the Library tab on the left, you can view all your purchased and installed Epic Games titles in one place. It's a fast and simple way to manage your PC game collection. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy gaming and software guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.